Hi guys, how are you all today? I'm doing well. I wanted to film a look for you. This is like a fall grunge kind of like inspired look. Instead of a voiceover to talk through, I wanted to try that and see how I liked it better. I think I'm gonna like the voiceover better. I just felt like it's kind of easy sometimes for me to explain things as I'm doing them, but you know, I just kind of wanted to try something different. So this is a test run of that, but yeah, here's this like fall grunge look. So if you want to find out how I did this, stay tuned. Alright, to save time, I've already moisturized my skin, primed it, done my eyebrows, and concealed them and put some chapstick on. So I'm going to be priming my eyes with this MAC Painterly paint pot. I just a lot of times use my finger because it's easier for me. And I'm doing my eyeshadow first since it's kind of a darker look. In case there's any fallout, I can clean it up before we do the foundation. And bear with me because I'm doing this without my contacts in. I like this because it's like a nice tacky base for the eyeshadow. For the palette I'm using, this is the Morphe 350. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade. And I've got a little fluffy brush. I'm just gonna kinda I gotta get my mirror. And I like to take the brush and go in like circular motions when I'm applying eyeshadow. And I also like to take it and build it up slowly over time. I'm gonna do this one in the bottom. May end up using a black, I'm not for sure yet, but I'm gonna start with that and start building it up all over the lid. And I'm doing packing motions and blending motions so that it's kind of smoky. I'm gonna go in with this kind of like burnt shade right here in the same fluffy brush I was using. And I'm gonna take it and kind of blend those two colors together.
So I'm gonna take it up high.
Right, and now we've got that like burnt kind of sienna shade up high. I think I might go in with a black. Let me see here. The Colourpop Smoke Show palette in the corner here. And I'm gonna just put it right on the middle, and then I'm gonna take the brown and start smoking it back out. So we're just gonna put, or I might be able to just do this with my finger. Hold on.
Alright.
Yeah, I think that looks better with the black. And see, like, I just got it right there. That's fine. That's why I did the shadow first instead of the face makeup, so that if I f up, it doesn't matter. Got the black added, looking very grunge. I'm going with that brown and just make sure like the edges are clean, which they look pretty good to me. Got a clean fluffy brush here, and I'm just gonna go like around the very edges of all of this. Alright, here's what we got so far. I was gonna use a Q-tip and some micellar water, but I couldn't find any, but I found some makeup wipes. And I'm also gonna wipe my hands off since I use my finger. Sometimes I like applying shadows with my finger, especially if I'm doing like something real shimmery. Sometimes I think I can get more pigment. And then I'm just gonna take this and clean up. So I've got the eye look on. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Luminous Foundation because I'm actually going somewhere today. But see how I meant when I did like my eye makeup first and I had fallout literally everywhere. If you do your makeup first when you're doing dark or bright colors, that saves you a lot of trouble. I don't know if you guys are gonna like the talk throughs or like the voiceovers better. I just thought maybe I'd try something a little different and see how it went. I've got my clean foundation brush. I'm gonna get my hair out of my way so I don't have foundation in it. And then we're just gonna... My foundation looks like it's gonna be like stark white. It looks, I can kind of see in the viewfinder. I'm so blind without my glasses, but I promise you it does not look like this in person. My cat is over there throwing stuff. I'm gonna go with this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just dot it where I want to highlight a little bit. I like to do the chin because for some reason I can't get my makeup to stay on my chin. Like it always cracks or goes up. And I like to do the Cupid's bow to add a little highlight. Of course the under eye so I don't look like dead. Do any of you guys like just love fall? Because I love fall and I'm so happy that it's here. I've had all these makeup looks I've wanted to do kind of like lined up. And I'm using the Anastasia contour kit. This is where my stark face gets blended in a little better. I just go in with like this contour brush and I just do really light-handed like circular motions on my contour so I can get some color there. I am going to set it real good with a powder. Let's see. Today I think I'm going to use this e.l.f. HD powder. And I'm just going to dump it like into the lid. Hold on. Try to. I think I ran out. I thought I saw a bug. It's okay. I promise you if I see a bug anywhere, I'm out. I'm good gone. See, does that not look like a bug? Okay. Like, when I'm not wearing my glasses, I think that makes it a little worse too, but it's fine. of like a grunge kind of look, like a dark look. I don't want to use a blush. I just don't, I'm not feeling that today. So I'm going to use this highlighter. This is the Colourpop Flexitarian. I love this one. I'm just going to put a little bit under my brow bone. Just right along there. It adds a little pop. And then the other side. And then I'm going to go and put some right here. I'm going to switch to a highlighter brush and put it on my cheeks. I freaking love this highlighter so much. So for the lip, I've got this Colourpop brown lip pencil in the shade Grunge. I didn't even realize that. That's great. Alright, so I'm going to line my lips with this. Alright, I've got the lips outlined. So the lipstick I'm using today is by Anastasia, and it is called Dread. It's a brown. I think with this look, like with the dark kind of orange smoke, I think brown, red, or orange would look really good with this. But I don't really, I'm going somewhere later, and I think I don't want to wear red. I want to wear brown today. This is actually my first time wearing this lip combo together. What do we think? I actually like it a lot. So this is, again, the Colourpop lip liner in Grunge, and the Anastasia, what is it, a satin lipstick? Matte lipstick in Dread. I like it. I think for a grunge look, I think matte is like the way to go. Alright. Back to the palette real quick. I'm going to take this orange shade we used to smoke the top out, and I'm just going to take it and alright. Oh yeah, smoke it out to the point where you look sick. Yes, girl. I'm trying to do kind of more on like the outer part, and then also kind of like connecting right here. From what I can see, I'm blind. And I'm looking in this mirror in front of me instead of the one I'm holding, because I'm holding the palette like I'm serving a pizza. Why do I do this? Alright, and then I'm going to go in with a brown. I'm going to do just a little bit, like kind of right straight under the eye. There's not a lot of times when I make a look and I don't do like the winged eyeliner, but today I'm not. I'm gonna actually be doing some on underneath. This is an eyeliner that one of my friends gave me. It says "So Fierce" on it. She didn't give it to me used. She gave it to me like unopened. But alright, I'm gonna take, when I like to do like eyeliner on my under eye, I like to take a makeup sponge, touch my face with it, and I'm gonna have to use, I hope you guys can see, I'm gonna have to use this mirror in front of me because I really can't see like the one I'm looking at. Just do a little bit right there. Alright, so I like to focus it more on the outer and kind of start to like feather it in through there. So same with the other eye, take the sponge. Oh yes, girl. I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is this Essence Lash Princess one I have. And I'm gonna just put that on real quick. This is really coming together, you guys. Wow. I'm gonna go in with the overlappers. Mostly because I don't really feel like getting up to go get some scissors. I kind of want to wear a different pair today, but I don't want to get up to go get some scissors to trim them to my eye shape. So I'm just going to pick the glue off of these real quick. Got one on. This is so fall. Like, I can't. Alright, so this is the fall grunge look we came up with today. I think I should have put a little bit more of the color underneath right there. I don't know. And I'm not sure how I feel about the lashes. I think if I just took some eyeliner and had a smoky eyeliner and did without the lashes, it would be just fine. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's more in the spirit of, like, grunge to have it like that. Maybe this is, like, a modern fall grunge. I don't know. But, yeah. And then, of course, like, a black or red lipstick would look great with this, too. Today I just went with brown. I just think orange, brown, red, black, those are all so good for fall. And yellow and green. I don't really like the mustard yellow. Sorry. I'm not really a fan of that, but green. Yeah. But yeah, here's kind of like what I did. I want to thank you so much for watching. I've got a Twitter and an Instagram if you want to follow me on there. If you took a second to subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. I work really hard on the videos. Let me know if you like the voiceover or the talk through better. I kind of think I might end up wanting to like the voiceover better. I don't know. I'm just a really awkward person when I talk, and I jumble my words really bad because, like, my brain's always running at, like, 300 miles per hour, and, like, I think faster than, like, I can keep up with when I talk. So it gets kind of hectic, but it's okay. But yeah. So here's the look. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!